This could be the car for you. The 2025 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. This handsome Grand Wagoneer delivers impressive capability and world-class luxury. Powerful, spacious, sophisticated, and equipped with dazzling technology, this meticulously crafted adventure vehicle is waiting to take you places. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, head-up display, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, front massage seats, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry. Life is short. Make the most of every journey in this extraordinary Grand Wagoneer. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.